Welcome to this gentle forgiveness practice. This is a space for release, to set down that which weighs your heart. Forgiveness, in truth, is not permission for wrong, nor forgetting what has happened. It is a giving forth, a voluntary correction that allows what is real to be seen again. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes and bring your attention to the breath. Inhale slowly. Hold for a quiet beat and exhale, softening the area around your heart. Let that softening ripple through your whole body. Now call to mind a single grievance, a word, a moment, a memory that still casts its shadow. Notice the tightness it forms in your body, the heaviness it stirs. Now investigate this grievance as an eagle or an ancient oak or the ocean might, without meaning, as an inert flux of energy, an etch in time with no true use. Whisper within, Spirit, I offer this to you. Take it from me completely. Imagine placing it into hands of light, like a thorn carefully removed and cast away. No need to heal the wound. Simply allow the story to be unwritten, and the wound unwinds. Notice the body softening, the chest opening, the mind loosening its grip. Forgiveness works outside of time, dismantling that which makes grievances seem real. It is activated through your willingness to see innocence where guilt once seemed to live. Picture the one who stirred this wound. See them beyond their form, a mass of light, unshaped, innocent, eternal. Breathe gently as you repeat, I release the need to judge. I choose to see only innocence. We are both free as one. Feel a subtle shift, a small unbinding around your heart. Now turn inward. Where have you judged yourself? Where has guilt weighed on your steps? Offer these into the light of Spirit's hands, trusting the instant correction of what ego made. Whisper, I forgive myself. I unmake this thought. I accept my wholeness. Sense the relief as guilt falls away, not denied, but now seen in higher light and undone. Rest in the space that remains, the space of peace that forgiveness restores. Here, the separate self dissolves, and the remembrance of oneness can return. Feel the warmth in your chest as you surrender the old habit of blame and allow truth to wash through you again. May you be freed from what you have believed. May those held in guilt be released. May every heart remember its innocence and come home to peace. Take a long, slow breath in and exhale with a soft sigh. When you open your eyes, move slowly. Let forgiveness light the way before you. For when the thought of separation is changed to forgiveness, all errors vanish. Remember, forgiveness is your superpower and the end of fear.